Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 mobile stuck on download completed with 100%. So if you are facing this error, download completed 100% and still your download is stuck in eFootball 2027 mobile game, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear the app cache. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then tap on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't fix the issue, the next solution is to clear the app data. So again tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, then go to storage usage and then click on clear data. Now please take an important note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings, and it will be deleted permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it. And then you can go ahead, launch the eFootball 2027 game and then try to download the additional data and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then next solution is to uninstall and reinstall the eFootball 2027 app. So tap and hold the eFootball 2027 app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again tap on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball 2027 and then tap on eFootball and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once the eFootball app get reinstalled, then you can launch the game and check if the stuck on download completed problem is fixed or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can switch the internet connection. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Rapid VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, VPN Windscribe, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the eFootball 2027 game and check stuck on download completed error is fixed or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix eFootball 2027 mobile stuck at download completed 100%. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.